Welcome back. Today I just went to my sister's house because Lucius wants to sell his the 90. My sister has TTR 50 out there, so I just went out there this morning and grabbed that to see if Lucius can ride that. So we're going to take him out to the beach and hopefully he can ride it. I'll load the 90 on for Penelope and we'll see how he goes. They're just inside getting ready, putting all their gear on, so I'm out in the shed grabbing their helmets and see how we go. See if this thing goes actually. Minter. All go. Yeah. Oi, don't yell at each other. Just Lucius go. Just go outside the gate, bro. Yeah, that's far enough.
I don't like this one because I
You don't like the glove? You want to hold? No. Oh,
Wait,
first time we've ever worn them. No, it's your cousin's, but look at it. Holy, guard's all gone. Rough as. We just arrived to the beach. This idiot. Space all on this side. Dumbasses up there. So with the 90, we've got a drill push to start. So, Lucius, you're gonna have to hop off, buddy, so I can push start it. It's got no front guard, no side guard. Oh heck. Bloody roughies. No, that key doesn't fit, Luch. So you start it, and then this is Lucius's first time riding 2 LSU. We'll see how he goes. Luch had his one lap on the little bike. He's back on his bike. Penelope's gonna have a turn. Yeah, put the hoodie on because this helmet's a little bit big. So hold that out, and that one as well. And then yeah, I'll hold your hoodie for you. Slide it down. Pull. Good girl. Is that all right? There you go. Hop on, bro. Okay, ready? Oh. She's over. No, it's alright. You're alright. No, you're alright. There you go. Yeah. You just got to pull the throttle. Woohoo! Ready? I can hold you. Ready? Put your legs up. Go. Oh! Lucius, don't go in her way. It feels what? Oh, because you're wobbling a little bit. Just go a little bit slow. You don't have to go so fast, brother. Good girl. Oh, you've cracked it. Look at the demon of the bike though. Holy. This fella, he wanted a two-wheeler, now he's back on his quad. He hated this yesterday. Or the other day, I should say. Go on, Lou. Go for a ride, brother. Look how flat it is out here. Choppy as, but so flat. Penelope's going hard. Woohoo! Good girl, baby. This is fun. Look at, did you crash? What happened there? You got no guard either. What the heck? Yeah, ready? Did you? Oh, you're getting confident, alright. Hang on, go. Oh, look, one hand, she reckons. Oh. She's crack up alright. Diesel! She just can't get enough, she reckons. Mum and Dad, watch this. I just can't believe how rough the bike looks. Oh, thanks my sister though. Thanks. Let's use it to see if the kids can ride a two-wheeler. I already probably would be sweet because she's already ridden a two-wheeler. It was more for Lucius, so he can get him one to go to the motorbike track. Go. Well, there you go. I should have brought a spade so you could do a little jump for it. Should I? I'll tell her to go up the sand dune. She does. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Go! Oh, this kid is funny, man. She's going, oh, she needs to go to the next gear, but she's already a dodgy enough as it is. It's smoking. Look at it. Bro, it's smoking out. What are you up to? Just ringing it out. Inez, high five. You done real good. Can Lucius have a turn now? Oh, look at the face. Can Lucius have a turn? Oh, no, she's off again. Lucky the sand dune's harder. She probably would have fallen off. Here she goes again. She's wobbly as, but she doesn't care about falling off.
Ready? Ready, set.
Woohoo! That's the one, bro. Penelope, get kicked off that one, straight on the other one. Woohoo! To what? Oh, it's just that's the turn off switch. Go. Good girl. Be careful. Yeah. The bro's starting to get it too. Choice. What happened? Did it turn off? Hey? Why did it turn off? Turn it on. Oh, what the heck? Hang on. There's a key off. Oh, go my baby. Oh, look at Lucy, he's going hard too. He's got all the gears on. Far up. We brought those gears for him when he was like 3 and he still couldn't fit them, he's so small. Oh, go son, you're doing well. Damn, missed it. Lucius was trying to be cool and he fell off. You're doing alright? Yes, yes, yeah. Yeah. No, you don't have to keep holding it because the starter motor will stuff out. Yeah, you're alright. Woohoo! Kids are loving it, that's good. Oh well, give the bro a few more laps and see if he likes that or if we have to go down to the Pee-wee. I think he's getting comfortable. Yeah, I'm going to tell him. Let's see if Lucius can go up on here. Oh, the crazy one. She's the crusty demon, she reckons. Woohoo! Man. For someone that hates riding a motorbike, seems to love it. You're going to ride it forever? Oh, you were on there forever. Go the other way. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Don't go too far up, baby. Oh. Man, you're crazy, all right? Here we go, the big fella. Woohoo! Oh, on the limiter. Woohoo! Good boy, son. Oh, look at the smoke. You're all right. Yes, boy. I think that's a bit of a success. No, keep going, you're all right. Cool girl. Nally Wally. Having heaps of fun. Been here 10 minutes and Lucius is already confident, or fairly confident. Well, he has to be because he wants to go to the motorbike track, so we thought we'd bring him out to see how he was going to go here, and he's surprised all of us, so nah, he's all good. I think definitely be selling that thing and buying probably two two-wheelers now, after his sister seems to love the two-wheeler. They thought that they liked quads, but they liked it a bit more, so that's good. Make me want to buy another motorbike now, so yeah, that's good. No what?
Pros forward.
No pros fall. Yeah, are you a pro?
Me.
No, don't give the fingers. No pros fall, she reckons. She thinks she's on. So I just had a quick ride on the 90 in Penelope on that by Suki Bubba over here. Holy. So we had to get Nelly off because Lucius would not stop crying to get back on it. He kicked his gumboots off, threw everything off, had a big tantrum. So yeah, he's back on it now. And he's trying to stay well away from his sister so he doesn't have to share. What a stink guy. So we're thinking gonna have to get two-wheelers now because the four-wheeler's dumb apparently, and it used to be the two-wheeler was dumb, but now they're a little bit taller, they can actually touch the ground and ride it around, so good on them. Having heaps of fun. Go my bro, second gear. Wanted to go a little bit faster, but he had to wait for the couple of cars to go past. He reckons they might run him over. Let him get warmed up again, and then I'll tell him to go up the sand dune again, because the first time he fell off. Oh heck. He's getting the hang of it though, that's the main thing. Awesome. far. Should have brought the rods or something. It's so flat. Or even a bloody drag net. So mint out here. A little bit windy. It's not too bad though, but shit, it would have been good. Might have to take the dog out for a swim. Give him a bit of a clean. Look at this fella. He's been a clown. He's staying well away from his sister, so he doesn't have to share. What a stank guy. Here she goes. Oh, now she's going to be silly because he won't share. Are you ready? Set, go! Oh, Lucy brought it back! Woohoo! I thought he was going to lose that one. Now his sister thinks she won. What's the bro up to? Turn it off! Doesn't even look like it's starting to clear up either. Oh, when I get home, give it a service. Because I just picked it up and come straight to the beach. I'll give it a service and she should run a bit better than that. Go into the motorbike shop on Monday and order some new plastic for it as well. But hopefully those things don't take too long to turn on because it looks rough as heck, man. And it's like a 2023 GTR 50. So oh, it's starting to clear up now. There we go. Good girl. Well, that was a good day at the beach, I guess. The motorbikes just come past, so the kids think we have a bit of a show off before we leave. Nelly's bloody riding. Oh my gosh. No helmet on. She just jumped on and ran away. Hoi! That's enough. Go back, come up, back by the truck. We're gonna go now. Lulu, come on. Gonna go now, brother. That was a success, I guess. Take these kids home and give them a bit of a shower and cook some dinner. How'd you like that, son? Was that, you had enough now? No. Yeah, stop. Good boy. Yeah, I'll push this down. Hang on. No, I'm just pushing the stand down. Excuse your foot. Lucius! Nelly! Where you at? Oh, bit of a washout shirt. That was lucky. Where you at? Where you at? Oh, couple of... Out of the way! Watching. Like and subscribe. Hey, Lush. Bro, so they're grumpy because we had to leave or something. Hey, Nelly. Yep, grumpy.